Friends, greetings for the day. Myself, Dr. Dev Kumar Jha, pediatric pulmonologist and intensivist, New Delhi and NCR. Today, we will know about arterial blood gas analysis, ABG. This is very important part of critical care management in children or in adults. So this is important to know how to take sample for ABG, and after going through the machine how to interpret the result of ABG. So sample is usually taken from the artery, peripheral artery, superficial artery, that is radial artery, and there is a test known as modified Allen's test. We should do this test first, then take sample from the radial artery or cannulate the radial artery. After this, we should enter some parameters in the ABG machine and then take the printout, which gives you the blood gas analysis, means what is the oxygen level, what is the carbon dioxide level, what is the bicarbonate level, what is the pH of the blood, everything. And then we have to decide on the basis of all the results what the condition is, what is the condition of patient at that point of time, and how we should alternate the treatment, modify the treatment, change the treatment, or continue the treatment. So it will indicate various parameters: oxygen level, which is indicative of oxygenation; carbon dioxide level, which is indicative of ventilation; bicarbonate level, which is indicative of metabolic status of the child. So how to interpret it correctly and how to apply it in your treatment for a critically ill child, please join Fellowship in Pediatric Pulmonology with hands-on training of bronchoscopy under aegis of Respiratory Foundation of India. Thank you very much. Take care. Keep learning.